And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Now, I spared the taking the bolts out portion, but these things look like they've been through hell and high water and back. You can see they've been horribly abused. The bottom appears to be okay. There's random, like, let's see, you can see the side. Casting looks good on this side. This side's got some weird little, it looks like a paint mark. There's, except for, where's this side? This side's got some strange, like, I don't know why it's all pitted. It's all pitted on one side. This side, the bottom looks, oddly enough, okay. There's a number right in, I don't know where it says. Let me see. Okay, that's a number 4 number right here. I don't know if you can see it. It says number 4 in there. And overall, it's not terrible, actually. I mean, it doesn't have a huge amount of pitting here. This is good. There's a groove right in there. This has just got looks like a shitload of surface rust. Let me just check it out here. See, it's not there isn't a ton of pitting on it. Let me pause it, and I'll take this gizmo out of here, and I'll show you. So yeah, back to the vise here. I took the vise out of the main body here. And supposedly somewhere on this thing there's supposed to be a date code somewhere. Don't ask me where. I don't see one. The screw appears to be in beautiful shape. This has a little bit of wear over here. It looks surface rust. Still has a little casting line. This little meatball part here, this thing here, like I've stated in previous, looks like, I don't know, like, it makes me wonder, like, did they leave this thing under, like, one end, like, was this half in water rusting and the rest, and then this one little piece here in water, and then, like, somehow this was submerged, like, this side was submerged, wasn't, or was it, I don't know. There is apparently no screws here. There isn't, there's screws missing on the collar here to get the screw. Maybe I'll try to take it apart. Another little section. So yeah, I spared you the grief of taking the screw out of here, but yeah, basically a lot of surface rust on here. The screw is in beautiful shape. I took it out of here on the Wilton. Looks like it's got one broken screw. The other two holes seem to be fine. And I guess there's something in there I got to take out next. Pull out 2 pins. I might not mess with that thing because I'm not an expert at this. But from what it appears to me and what I've been reading online, this piece right here is the worst piece right here for me. So my plan of attack is, if this is steel, I could take this rod and I could basically measure how long this rod is and machine this all the way off here, machine it down to the same size as this, and make a new block here and just pop a new one back on and maybe just weld it in place. I definitely am going to be buying a new high strength steel bar from McMaster Car for it, and I would probably have to learn how to make these 2 end pieces, which, I mean, come on now, this thing is ridiculously bent. Overall, though, I mean, when you look at this side, I put I put this stuff in there to loosen up the bolt, the little screw in there. So this stuff works great. But yeah, I mean, if you look at all the pitting on here, my other option is I might take my welder and see if it sticks to this, because I don't think this is cast. I think this is steel. Or it might be just press fit in there. I don't know. I might just weld over it and then turn it on my lathe, smooth it all out. because it's, like I said, it looks like the handle was, left in the ocean, and the rest of it was just left fine. So anyway, I'll skip this and I'll try to see what else I can show you on here. Well, let's see. Back to the Vise. Upon further inspection, I found the spot where the pin is. It goes right on that side. I checked this entire thing here, and I cannot find. There's something right here that looks like maybe just pitting or one. I have a feeling there was numbers here somewhere, but they're gone. And on the other side of this, I found, what is the other pin right here? I don't know if this is going to come off, but maybe it will. Maybe I'll just hit it with a pin punch and see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll give an update on my progress at, I guess, cleaning off the patina, and just maybe I'll repaint it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and go play with Dash Hounds.